Hi, I'm Ed McCurdy MC DJ, VJEd here with Alliance Home Inspections, and we're riding with Troy. Here we are on the outskirts of Bangor, Maine for a 7,500 square foot home inspection. First, we look for the septic system and prepare to fly the drone.
Clearly marked.
Yeah, they said it was on the notes, so it's obvious.
Obvious septic tank. But
I haven't found the bird feeder
it's
yet.
not obvious.
Well, I just got here not too long.
Have you been over that way?
No.
Yeah.
Well, I just walked out there when you saw me. That was it. But,
I did this inspection when one of the first, probably within my first couple months of starting the business.
Oh, really?
I've done this home
Place
before.
is huge.
Yeah. The
They got
photo.
a pool that in their home
Yep.
building.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the photos online look like it hasn't changed all that much. It's
That's
a
in good
beautiful,
shape. Yeah.
beautiful home. So 30-something acres.
Wow.
Yeah. Just outside of Bangor too, which is awesome.
Yeah, that's
So yeah.
big. So we're
Yeah,
just doing
let's-
the main home.
As far as I know, just the main home.
That's what it said. Huh?
Yeah. And we'll have our hands full
Is
with
Dolly
that.
supposed to be coming?
She usually shows up to, especially ones this big, but it said in the notes that she wasn't. But
Oh, okay.
my guess is she'll be here.
I saw the owner. She said, I told her that we usually start on the outside. She said, yeah, that's fine.
Is she inside?
No, she left.
Oh, she did.
She left. I guess the realtor is supposed to come. She said the realtor's coming, so
All right.
I'm like, okay.
Well, if I had to guess, if it's one septic, I would assume that septic system would be in between these homes.
Yeah.
This is a 30-plus acre piece of property with multiple buildings, including a pool house, a barn, a greenhouse, and the 7,400 square foot home. Sometimes we have a map, sometimes we just have to search to find where the system is. If we don't find it, we'll go into the basement and run the camera into the sewer line to the tank and find it with the sensor that it sends through the ground. It's quite the place. That's the well right there. Yeah, that's the well where the bench is, so it had to be 100 feet from that.
Probably on the other side.
Yeah.
I assume it's probably
Just the house is on it.
just the houses on the septic system. It's right there. You can see the concrete and everything.
Oh yeah. When he said bird feeder, I thought, well, maybe they take their bird feeders down because there've been a lot of bears all of a
I
sudden.
don't see any bird feeders at all.
No,
here.
and it was a fountain though.
I think-
Yeah, that's it right there. Sweet. How sweet is that?
Yeah.
Bada bing.
Stepped on that last cover there and it moved. I was like, ah, that's got to be it.
Sweet.
Yeah. I didn't see any handles though. It was weird.
There's
Step on the other
some
one.
handles right there. Isn't that, or is that twigs? Twigs.
It's probably one of those.
Yeah, probably like
Yeah, you could feel that.
yeah. One of those platforms that go over, and I assume the field's out there.
Yep.
That's tick heaven right there, man.
Oh yeah, it is. We'll play that Blake Shelton song when you're done, Ronnie. We'll
song?
check you for ticks.
Paisley, wasn't it?
No, was it? No, is it Paisley?
Come on, Mr. DJ guy.
No, I
Bad
think it's
Paisley?
Blake.
All right, now I got you.
I gotta look this one up. Hey, I've been off for a year.
Hey, you're gonna have to omit that because we don't want people knowing you don't know your
that's,
music.
that's too funny. I want to check you for ticks. I think it's Blake.
All right, here we go.
I think it's Blake.
All right. insurance, man. Did she say anything about whether or not we can just go in, or did she say somebody was coming?
She said the realtor was coming. That's all.
Okay.
She said.
All right. We still got
But
a few
she said
minutes
go
here.
ahead.
We'll do the outside first, anyways.
Yeah.
Elizabeth Young. When the hell are these black flies gonna go away? Jeez.
I doubt that.
You must be right. Wait, Blake Shelton ticks. Let's see. I just searched Blake Shelton ticks. Let's see. Oh, it must be.
Must be what?
It must be freaking Brad, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We get a winner. We have. Oh, wait, Blake Shelton. Oh, tickets. Tickets.
You can search all day. You're not gonna get it. I got you. She said, "I can't."
Damn.
I've
just been 1 year. I haven't played shows. I even have a guy who sings it at one of my shows.
We got to get you back in the swing, man.
I know. I have a guy that sings that song at one of my shows. Brad.
Do you want me to do the outside?
Yeah.
I could do the outside and then.
Yeah, I'll head in.
I think this garage door on the other side is.
You want us to get out of your way so you get a cover photo?
Yeah. And then I want to see what's in there too. Yeah.
Brad Paisley. Wow, the deer have been laying in there. No? Is that what that is?
It looks like
or is it just
something's laying in there. Most likely.
See if we can find any ticks. We could probably look right here.
Just walk in there and walk right out.
You'll get them. So we're on site here in Bangor with Alliance Home Inspections. And we're gonna fly the drone today. So I figured I'd walk through, going through getting permission from the FAA on flying in this zone. So I put in the longitude, latitude, and of course it comes up we're in the fly zone for Bangor, but we can fly here. I just need to get the approval. So what I do is go for airspace authorization here. And it asks me what kind. It's a commercial. And I'm going to fly in that area right there. And I'm going to fly to 250 feet. I'll just put 200. And it will send all of my information. I will go today is the 1st and the time will be 9:15 for 30 minutes. And it tells me what things are approved and not, which we're all in all of those to for approval. So I go next, and they sent me, or this is what I'm sending them. Tells my information. And they will text me right back. And that is my text. It's telling me all the regulations. It will also show up in this app. So it's a 10-part message that they just sent me. And here's my authorization right there. Additional details. It tells me all the information. Request is approved. La-di-da-di-da. Very good. Good job. And all this stuff was also messaged to my phone. The reason why I have to have GPS hooked to my drone, if they have an issue they need to notify me about, now they also have my phone number and they can message me in case I need to get out of the air for some reason immediately. So we're all incommunicado. So I have 10 minutes to set up the drone and get things ready. That's it. That was pretty easy.
Our flight is now approved through the FAA, so check out episode 3 where we fly the drone and also watch Ronnie run the inspection cam into the sewer system. See you next time on Riding with Troy on VJEd.